But as far as like good overall combos are concerned, this is it. For your particular application. And I know what you're doing. You want something that's going to be gaming worthy, but you want something that's not maybe totally gamered out because you're doing a lot of programming as well. You want it to be used for professional purposes. And don't worry, bro, I have the solution for you. It is the Logitech MX900. For real though, it's a great combo. Check it out. So it's a premium keyboard. It might look plain if you're using it for programming. Like, look, if you want RGB lights, this is not it. But it's got quiet keys. It's low profile. It works great. It's a premium mouse and keyboard combo. It's got the ergonomic design on the mouse as well. It's great. This is just such a good combo. Super underrated. The mouse is amazing too. It's got this nice like modern design right here. I just linked it in chat. Freaking great. I love this thing. It's just overall, like it's just like a great overall mouse and keyboard. If you're looking for something that's gaminged out, this is not it. But it is gaming worthy. 100%. This is good for like, let's say you're doing like 70 to 80% business everyday usage and programming. This mouse keyboard combo works great for that. It's low profile enough to not take up a bunch of your desk. And then also if you do switch over to gaming, it's got, you know, the performance that you're going to want, and that's going to be gaming worthy for you. So the keys look soft. Yep. And if, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So if you're on business calls with somebody, for example, you're on Zoom calls, whatever, talking to other programmers, whatever, you're doing your sprints, whatever you programmers do, you're doing your Scrum meetings. Did I say the right thing? Then these soft keys you can type in the background while you're actually on a business call, and it's not a mechanical keyboard with a bunch of RGB going on here. It's going to blow people's heads off. You're going on your keyboard. You want nice smooth key presses, right? This, in my opinion, is my favorite overall mouse and keyboard combo just for general usage. You see how they're branding it for general usage as well. It's awesome. But it's got the nice rest there for your thumb, nice triggerable buttons on the side. It's awesome. As you can see, it's got the USB jack on it for wired capabilities. It's just freaking great. Pick it up today.